Hello everyone, welcome back to TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to download and install Instagram application for your mobile device. This video is particularly for the Android user. For the iOS you can open the App Store and the process is similar afterward. So open the Google Play Store. Once you open it, you tap on the search bar and then type in Instagram. Tap on search. You can see the search result for the Instagram. Now you just need to tap on install beside it and wait for the application to be downloaded. Instagram is a photo and video sharing social media platform where you will be able to share your photos, stories and videos with the friend and the followers you care about. Instagram brings you closer to the people and the things you love. You can see the application has been downloaded. Now you just need to tap on open and with that you have successfully downloaded and installed the Instagram. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.